Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. We're going to do a comparison video today with the CZ Rami versus the FNS 9C. Both subcompact double stack 9mm handguns that are excellent. They're very different, but I own them both and I love them both. I find them to be extremely accurate and well made. Let's start with the Rami. The MSRP on the Rami, $680. The average street price right around $550 if you can find one. They are hard to find because when they do become available, people eat them up. It does have a 10-round magazine, 2-finger grip. All right, but they also have, it comes with it, a 14-round magazine that gives you that full-size feel. When I shoot the Rami, it feels like a full-size handgun, even though it has a 3-inch barrel and the shorter grip, whether it's the 10-round or the 14-round mag. I get just a confident feeling when I fire this gun. We'll go ahead and show clear. This is the decocker model. All right, so it's a Rami D with the decocker. Puts it a little over quarter cock, but that's how somebody would carry it. That's how you would carry with this setup. It also is available with a thumb safety where one could choose to carry it cocked and locked in single action. But it cuts down on that double action pull right there. And then, of course, it goes into single action, and that's what you're looking at. Very common trigger pull with all CZ handguns. This one has rubber grips, an aluminum frame, and a 3-inch barrel. It also comes standard with True Dot night sights. So that's a nice touch to the Rami, and I think this gun's phenomenal. I shoot it extremely well. You know, it does have the beaver tail there for the high grip, and that trigger action is incredible with the low bore axis. Very accurate shooting handgun, and I just can't speak highly enough about it. But here we have the FNS 9C. I love this gun too. Now the MSRP here is $599. Right around $500 is the street price, maybe a little less if you catch it on sale. This one has night sights as well, and it's a polymer frame striker fire gun. So, you know, we got the double action, single action, hammer fired, polymer frame striker fire gun that I think is pretty amazing. We'll show clear here. Now this has a 12-round magazine, so FN offers the flat base 12-round magazine, another 12-round magazine with an extended base plate, and the 17-round mag for that full-size feel, and excellent spare mag choice. This is an ambi gun, so here we have the mag release, slide stop on both sides, making it left-handed friendly. 3.5-inch barrel, Picatinny rail there for your accessories, and the hinge trigger. We'll go ahead and drop the mag. I think I already showed clear once. It does have front serrations too. That's pretty nice. I like the way the slide is cut with this. But it is a hinge trigger. I measure it right around 6 pounds. And breaks really nice. And then there is the reset for the follow-up shots. Very nice handgun. I carry this when I go with the double stack 9mm, and I do so confidently. Let's do a size comparison here. If we measure from the beaver tail, we'll see that it's about even, all right? But then if we put where the sights align, you'll see that right there. We'll see that there's that 1/2 inch longer on the barrel. And then right here, it's a little bit longer with the FNS because that holds 12 rounds. Let's go ahead and load them up and we'll get them on the scale. Here we have the Rami with a full loaded magazine with 10 rounds, self-defense loads, and that's weighing in at 1 pound 13 7/8 ounces. If we move that to just ounces, 29 3/4 ounces. All right, with 10 rounds. Now here we have the FNS 9C with the mag loaded with 10 rounds. We'll go ahead and put that in there, and that is weighing in at 27 ounces. We'll go ahead and put 2 more rounds on there for 12 rounds in the mag, 27 3/4 ounces. So it's a little bit lighter. It's a polymer frame, but it does have that longer barrel, so the weight difference is not that great. We'll go ahead and show the internals. I already pulled the slide stop pin out of the Rami. When doing so, you just move the slide back just a little bit and push the pin out the other way. It is extremely tight. The one thing I want to mention with the Rami is that it does have full-length frame rails, which is nice. Keeps everything nice and tight. And then here we have a dual captured or uncaptured recoil spring and guide rod. And there is your 3-inch barrel. The assembly's not hard, but that slide stop pin is tight. Here we have the FNS 9C. We'll keep the slide locked back. Take this lever, push it down, drop, pull the trigger, and off comes the slide. Here we have a captured recoil spring and guide rod and a 3.5-inch barrel. Both disassemble fairly easily and quickly, although the FNS 9C is an easier process. The question now arises, which of these would I choose if I could take just one? I love the FNS 9C. It's extremely reliable, it's accurate, it's an amazing shooting and carrying handgun, but if I could only choose one, I'd take the CZ Rami. It's a bit more expensive, but I love the CZ function. I love the accuracy of it. I like the aluminum frame and the trigger and hammer action. I find it to be just a little more special. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.